Is your T-Mobile internet box constantly turning off? You're not alone. The main culprits are overheating, power issues, and sleep mode malfunctions. Overheating occurs because the box generates heat processing 5G, 4G signals, especially in warm environments or during heavy use. Power problems stem from unstable electricity or faulty adapters. Finally, the sleep mode, designed to save energy, can sometimes activate prematurely. These issues are widely reported, but often fixable. T-Mobile has released firmware updates to address some of these issues, with the latest update, 2025.1, focused on thermal management and sleep timers. Let's troubleshoot the overheating issue. Ensure proper ventilation by not placing the box in enclosed spaces. Use the T-Mobile app to monitor internal temperature, keeping it below 122 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. Consider using a cooling pad. For power issues, check all connections and test your outlet with a multimeter. Only use a certified 12-volt DC adapter. Enabling the battery mode can prevent shutdowns from power surges. Regarding sleep mode, access the settings through the T-Mobile app or web portal and disable auto sleep if you need constant connectivity. If problems persist, try power cycling by unplugging for 30 seconds, check for firmware updates, and contact T-Mobile support for further assistance or hardware replacements.